Hello everybody, now we check the multi-tester that we bought it from China. Yes, now go to see. Yeah, this is the multi-tester. You see UNI-T, but yes, it's called UNI-T, and this is the model number. You see, this is a UT804 plus. Yes. Yes, it is so long. Maybe 4 centimeter. Yes, and this also maybe 3 centimeter. Yes. Then now we go to check the software, and this is the software. Yes, and now we try to rank it. Yes, this is the AC voltage. We can call alternate voltage. Yes, when we put it on this AC voltage, the software will show AC voltage. Yes. Then now I point it to the ohm. Yes, this is the ohm, and then I point it to the diode. Yes, diode. Yes, it shows diode, and then I point it to the frequency. This is hertz. Yes, you see, this is the hertz, and now we point it to the temperature measure. Yes, this is the temperature measure. You see, this is a Celsius unit, and then this is the ampere. Yes, this is milliampere. This is a micro ampere. And now I point to the ampere, and it shows error. Yes, we need a connector to connect this jack, and then I try with other. Yeah, this is the temperature. Then now I try to measure. Yeah, this is the measure pin. Then I try to measure something. Then like this is I measure this with the battery connector. Yeah, you hear the sound. Yeah, and then we go to see. Yeah? Yes. It is very easy for YouTuber or picture. Yes. Or we can measure the voltage. We can point it to the voltage, and this will show the voltage. Yes. If someone need to print screen or to make video, it is very easy. And this is the oscilloscope. So now we go to the website. Yes. Yeah, I go to the browser. This is a Mozilla browser, and then I type in Google UT804. UT804. Mình tôi lại mê mới ổn. Wow. Then we go to check the website. Yes. Yeah, this is non-original website. So we go back. Yes. Yeah, now we try again. I try this. You see? No, it is. Yes, this is the original. Yeah, it is the original website. So you see this model, yes, UT804 plus. Then we go to download. Yes, now this is the manual you can download and read, and this is the software you can download and install to your computer. This is technique document, this is the video, and this is the question and answer. Yes, and now we try to download. We press this and we select multi-tester. Yes, after that we press on this. Yeah, you see a lot of model that we need to choose, but this model 804 plus, so we need to download the software. Yeah, this is the 805. It's not work, and this is 804. It not work also. Yes, sorry for the manual. Yeah, this is the software. You see, this is 804 not work, 805 not work, but I try to search, and some models use only all window 86. Yeah, this is it. UT804E. Yes, you see. So that we go to 8804E. Yes, this is. Yeah, this is the software. The software for this model. Yes, it's UT804 plus, but you need to use 8002. Yes, you need to use this one. This one is higher. Yes. Yeah, after download we can go to the folder and set up. Just normally set up, and then we run the program after we connect the USB from the multi-tester to the PC. Yes, now I already connect. This is the USB, and then we run the program. Just this is the program. So normally, yes. Now we change. When we see this auto, and then I try to yacht mode. Yes, like this, and then you see this. Yes. Now we need connect. Sorry, we need connect. This is the connector. Yes. Now we ready connect, and then when we change the rank, it will show on the PC. Yes. Now I try to rotate it. This. Yes, this multi-tester is very useful. We can measure anything. Yes. Thank you very much for watching.